Most trading setups are a mess. Moving averages, RSI bands, and MACD lines pile up, obscuring price entirely. This wall of noise triggers analysis paralysis. We can simplify the process. By focusing on exactly 3 specific candles, you can identify daily bias and execute high-probability setups without the clutter. To follow this strategy, you need a basic charting platform like TradingView and a functional understanding of points of interest, like fair value gaps. Mastering this 3-candle cluster allows you to read raw price action. It replaces the need for reactive indicator combinations by showing you how the market actually moves through a zone. The most common failure point is trading this pattern in a vacuum. Without higher timeframe context, a 3-candle setup is just noise. We start by identifying a macro point of interest, specifically a fair value gap or an order block on the 4-hour chart. This shaded zone gives us our high probability area. Once that macro zone is set, we zoom into the 15-minute chart. Our goal is to find the 3-candle execution setup, only when price is inside that 4-hour shaded box. Practice patience here. Do not anticipate the pattern until the price physically intersects with the point of interest. The macro level provides the institutional context required for the trade. Without it, the 3-candle pattern is just a random fluctuation, not a reliable signal. When price enters the zone, look for the first candle. This is the accumulation phase. It creates a small range acting as a liquidity pool. It's usually the opposite color of your intended trade, meaning a red candle for a buy. The very next candle in the sequence marks the manipulation phase. For a valid manipulation, the second candle must temporarily push past the wick of the first candle. This movement creates a sweep of the liquidity we just identified. This temporary dip creates a psychological trap. It tricks retail traders into selling early, providing the liquidity institutions need to move the market in the other direction. Always check the wicks of candle 1 and candle 2. You need to confirm the second candle actually broke the high or low of the first to ensure a sweep occurred. Accumulation and manipulation work together to build false confidence and then trap those who are on the wrong side of the market. The final candle in the sequence is the distribution phase, also known as the engulfing candle. This must be a large candle that moves in your trade direction and completely swallows the body of the manipulation candle. Visually, this creates a distinct V-shape. Do not enter the market before the timer on this 3rd candle runs out. If you act while the candle is still open, the price can retrace. That would invalidate the engulfing shape and turn a potential setup into a loss. For a direct entry, you initiate the trade at the exact moment the 3rd candle closes. The rule for your stop loss is non-negotiable. Position it safely below the absolute lowest wick of the entire 3-candle sequence. Set your take profit target by either aiming for a previous major swing high or by using a static 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. By completing this cluster, you confirm that momentum has shifted in your direction before you risk your capital. The accumulation, manipulation, distribution cycle is a mechanical way to visualize market reversals. It relies on repeatable price behavior rather than guesswork. To begin practicing, open a pair like EUR-USD and backtest this 3-step sequence within historical fair value gaps. Once you master this entry on higher timeframes, you can apply the same logic to lower timeframes for even tighter risk management. Success in trading comes from waiting for the market to fulfill this specific sequence. By following this checklist, you ensure you are trading a defined setup rather than reacting to a feeling.